Tired of juggling multiple platforms and missing out on crucial customer connections? Let's dive into how to seamlessly connect Aisensy with Zpho, unlocking a new level of WhatsApp automation for your business. First, log into your Aisensy account, then navigate to the integrations section. This is where all the magic happens. Look for Zpho in the list of available integrations and click on it. This will initiate the connection process. Now, you'll need to gather your Zpho credentials. This includes your API key and instance ID. You can find these within your Zpho account settings. Carefully copy and paste the API key and instance ID from your Zpho account into the corresponding fields in Aisensy. Make sure there are no extra spaces or typos. Once you've entered the credentials, click Save or Connect. A confirmation message should appear, indicating that Aisensy and Zpho are now successfully linked. Now you can start building automated WhatsApp workflows. Use Aisensy's drag-and-drop interface to create triggers based on events in Zpho, such as new leads, order updates, or customer support requests. Test your workflows to ensure everything is working correctly. Congratulations! You've now successfully integrated Aisensy with Zpho, unlocking the power of WhatsApp automation for your business.